maybe I'll just shelve it, chuck it in the bin. So I was pulling it apart and I thought, you know what, I got this old JD20. This thing's a beauty. I've had this for a while now. Awesome little drone. SD card, robust as, no GPS. However, heck, this thing goes places and it goes far too. Yeah, cool little unit. Actually got it stuck up in the tree for about 3 weeks, brought it back down again, and yeah, she survived. So what I've done, I've taken the props off and I've just shoved them on here. So yeah, it's pretty much one of those videos where anything could happen. So dribble and let's cut the dribble and whoa, yeah, let's go see what happens. Awesome. I love flying on these windy days. Okay, let's get the recorder going. I've got no idea which button that is. I won't worry about the FPV side of it, which you can actually do. Crikey, which one's the record? No, gosh, might be that one. No, we'll see what happens. Let's see if it flies. Oh, even in the wind, it sure does. Hey, I'm impressed, and you know what? It's no good with the wind, however, it's actually a lot quieter than it is with the standard props. Much quieter. Yeah, much quieter. And we've got a flashing light, so the battery's low. This has been shelved for about 3 or 4 months, guys, so have a look at that thing go. She's a beauty, eh? Hey, I'm impressed. As I said, this thing goes far, and it goes far, it flies really well, it goes far well. I can't remember what the controls do. I think I've got a speed adjust here somewhere. Here we go, here's a speed adjust. I think 2's fast. Oh no, 3's fast. Okay, now we're quick. Yeah, there's fast there. I love this thing. That is fast, isn't it? And I've broken it. Like I said, one hell of a robust unit. Yeah. This is your baby. Right here. As I said, I've flown far and wide with this thing. It's a bit windy, so I'm not going to do anything here today. I might head out tomorrow up into the paddock, put it through its paces, get some recording going. However, I'm impressed with that. Oh no, that button's the kill button. Alright. So yeah, I'm massively impressed with this. This is a good unit. In many ways I actually prefer it to the GPS ones. It's a bit more raw. Yeah, it's a bit harder to fly. That button kills it. So maybe this is our record here. I don't know, it might be recording, it might not. Or maybe this one. Oh, watch out for the tree. This one our record? This one our record? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll bring it down. Oh, terrific. There you have it, guys. In many ways the JD20, although a far inferior quad drone, yeah, she's a lot more tougher than the SG900, that's for sure. I'm pretty happy with that. That's successful. I just need to make sure some screws are a bit longer because this one just flew off then. If I screw these in too tight, what happens is the props just lock, so I need to just grind a bit off the bottom. But that flies really well. It's a lot quieter than the original blades as well, so that's a bonus. I'm going to charge the battery up because I haven't run this for about 3-4 months. It's just been sitting here and she's up and running. So you can still get these from Banggood, link in the description. If you are thinking of getting one, yeah, I recommend it. Adjustable camera, 720p, bulletproof guys. This thing is bulletproof, as opposed to this fancy thing dangled, cost twice as much as this, and yeah, I'll probably shelve this one or chuck it in a bin. Anybody wants it, yeah, let me know. I'll post it out to you. And the control. I don't think I can bother with this anymore. I don't think so. I'm going to like to play with my JD20. Back to the old school. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Drop us a comment. Thumbs up, like, share. See you next video. Take it easy. Hope you're well. Bye for now.